Hi, my name is Robert Stupak, and I am one of the owners of Kolony Restoration. As project coordinator for the company, I ensure that all the building permits are in place and all the necessary inspections are scheduled before any of the work begins. I also make sure that the proper materials are ordered and that our labor crews are scheduled.
Our homeowners are the biggest priority for us, and as a result of our unmatched expertise and exceptional services, a majority of our work comes from repeat customers and referrals.
Hi, I'm Brandon Terhar with Kolony Restoration. I'm the district manager for the company. What I love about Kolony is we're a family organization and we're more about quality versus quantity.
Hi, my name is Gloria with Kolony Restoration. I just want to tell you a little bit of what I do for the company. One, I support our team in many ways. My husband as well, Nasser Omar, he's the owner of the company. When he needs any help going to homeowners, picking up checks, or sometimes translating to homeowners in Spanish, explaining them the process of the claim with their insurance company. Also, if I need to go out and do inspections for our reps, I will go out there and help them out as well.
Another important aspect of our company is that we are local. Based out of Burr Ridge, we are fully licensed and bonded by the state of Illinois, and we carry a full general liability and workman's compensations policy so that our employees are safe and our customers can be rest assured that their home is in the hands of true professionals.
Our dedication to professionalism and reliability is evident in everything we do. We adhere to strict timelines, provide transparent pricing, and work diligently to complete projects on schedule. Our services include roofing, siding, and gutter replacement, especially when they've been affected by storms.
Hi, I'm Mario with Kolony Restoration, and the reason why I love working here is because all of our coworkers, we treat each other like family. And I love to be able to handle each claim as a person instead of a number, so we can kind of tailor whatever their needs are to each individual.
My name is Eric. I work with Kolony Restoration, and this is an amazing company, especially as a first year. They've given me the confidence and tools to succeed and help as many homeowners as I have.
Here at Kolony Restoration, we make sure all our homeowners are taken care of and given the time that they deserve. At the end of the day, we want to make sure your home is getting taken care of.
At Kolony Restoration, our customers are number one. Complete customer satisfaction is something that each and every one of us strives for.